Leanne May and myself, Alison Brewer, we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a summary as to how we've come to this point. We're evacuating one of our bariatric patients from his existing home where he's been for 26 years, and he's moving to a bespoke bungalow nearby. And due to the nature of his weight, it's about 45 stone, then there's obviously been a number of things that we've had to consider for that move. So Leanne, as a physiotherapist, has been looking after his mobility needs to see if there was anything he could contribute to that. So it's been over a long period of time. We've been planning this for many months, looking at, packing up the house even, because unfortunately the patient doesn't have any support that could come and do that. So it was not just, his physical needs we needed to look after, actually, it was his well-being as well. So unfortunately the OT, Kelly Howarth, is unable to come today, but we've reached moving day. We've finished packing the house, we've moved his existing bed, etc. out to the new property, and we're now going to start the evacuation process. So
and the sun is shining.
The sun is shining. It was raining this morning, so we're very pleased about that. There are a number of people that have had to come and support with that. We've got First Care Ambulance Service, who you and Kelly have organised to come with a bariatric ambulance and equipment to actually do the transport. But the people who are evacuating the house, who have been absolutely amazing, Lee Quickmeyer and Jacqueline Murphy, have led on this, and they have organised the equipment, etc., to actually extract him from the house, which we're just about to use.
A thorough site visit is conducted to carry out a comprehensive risk assessment and develop an evacuation plan. The assessment takes into account key factors such as weather conditions, the specific task at hand, necessary equipment, the environment, and patient needs. Based on these evaluations, an evacuation plan is created, with the understanding that adjustments may be required as plans evolve. Following the initial site assessment, a secondary evaluation is performed before the actual move, concentrating on clearing pathways and removing any obstructions. This critical step allows for dynamic adjustments to ensure a smooth transition. A dry run is then conducted using a test person to validate the plan's execution. This process not only confirms operational readiness, but also encourages the development of innovative solutions as the evacuation route is further refined. After the assessment, the patient expressed a preference to walk from a seated position to the banana flow jack. Other options considered included lateral transfers using air-assisted devices, slide sheets, or roll boards. Additionally, seated transfer boards were available to facilitate a smooth transition from the seated position. Once on the flow jack, the patient independently adjusts for comfort. The flexibility of the flow jack allows for the wedge to be elevated, maintaining a semi-seated position. For added support, a cushion is strategically placed to provide additional leverage, assisting with respiratory needs. After ensuring the patient's comfort and recording vital statistics, the flow jack is seamlessly integrated into the EVAC Pro for the evacuation process. Slide sheets are strategically placed between the device and door frames to ensure a smooth transition through doorways. Lateral boards are also used to minimize friction, ensuring a secure and efficient move while maintaining the highest level of care. Lateral boards are strategically positioned on the floor and placed over rollers near the door to achieve a smooth, consistent motion through door frames. This method reduces friction and facilitates a seamless transition. As the evacuation progresses, the boards move with the EVAC mat, creating a stable bridge over doorsteps, allowing for uninterrupted movement. As the evacuation continues, the lateral boards are repositioned in a leapfrog manner to maintain a low-friction surface, ensuring smooth and controlled progress. This technique minimizes the physical effort required throughout the process. In cases of obstacles or narrow pathways, banana slide sheets are introduced. These specialized sheets are particularly effective in enabling smooth and controlled navigation through confined spaces. During the next stage of the evacuation, the evac mat is carefully moved along the path using lateral boards. When encountering obstacles or narrow pathways, banana slide sheets are deployed. These specialized sheets enable easy and controlled navigation through confined spaces. When encountering steps, the evac mat and board are carefully guided down together, ensuring a controlled and comfortable descent that prioritizes the patient's well-being. This method reduces the risk of sudden movements, maintaining stability throughout the process. For deeper steps or larger drops, the Flow F3 mat is introduced to cushion the descent and reduce the impact. By narrowing the gap between steps, the Flow F3 allows the equipment to glide smoothly to the lower level, ensuring both the patient's safety and comfort. This strategic addition not only simplifies the process, but also provides enhanced support during more challenging sections of the evacuation. After safely navigating the stairs and exiting the property, the focus shifts to maintaining the patient's dignity by directly transferring them into the transport using the FlowJack. Avoiding a transfer in the street is crucial, as it not only enhances privacy, but also minimizes the risk of complications that could arise from handling on uneven or exposed surfaces. This approach ensures both safety and respect for the individual throughout the evacuation process. With the evacuation successfully completed, the patient is accompanied to their new home, where continuity of care is prioritized. Immediate assistance is provided for any emergencies that may arise, ensuring that the patient's well-being remains the focus. This approach guarantees a smooth transition to their new environment, offering reassurance and support beyond the evacuation itself. Upon arrival at the new site, a seamless transition is carefully executed, transferring the patient from the ambulance directly into their newly adapted home. Every detail is managed with precision, ensuring the patient's comfort and safety as they are moved into the space designed to meet their specific needs. This process minimizes any unnecessary handling and ensures that the patient is settled efficiently while maintaining their dignity and well-being throughout the final stage of the relocation. Upon reaching the new home, the patient expressed a desire to independently transfer to the bed and explore their surroundings. To support this, the Banana Assist was employed for additional stability, empowering the patient to move comfortably and transition into bed on their own. This approach prioritizes patient autonomy, allowing them to feel in control and at ease as they settle into their new environment, ensuring a smooth and dignified integration into their new living space. The patient has been successfully brought home into a space designed to offer both dignity and enhanced comfort. With a focus on compassionate and effective care, every aspect of the environment is tailored to support the patient's well-being, ensuring they feel safe, respected, and comfortable as they settle into their new surroundings.